row 3, 51 and 12 on row 4, 38 to 58 on row 5, 52 and 88 on row 6, 79 and 66 on row 7, 60 and 4 on row 8, 40 and 47 on row 9, 53 and 82 on row 10, 43 and 25 on row 11, 3 and 39 on row 12, 99 and 95 on row 13, 17 and 37 on row 14, 1, 2, 3 and 69 on row 15, 45 and 91 on row 16. But we know that quite a few cars have not been seen. I'll just tell you who those are. Quite a lot in fact. Some of them didn't start the first race, but few were starting the second race. Right, so the missing ones are on row 6, number 52, on row 10, number 82, row 11, number 43, row 15 has vanished altogether, that's 1, 2, 3 and 69, and on row 16, number 45. So Marcus Riley in 52 not there, Graham Stall 82 not there, 43 Ricky Davis, 1, 2, 3 Rick Wood, that's disappointing, 69 Chris Morris and 45 Derek Kelly Cooper. But we do have in pole position car number 2, which is Robert Spencer. That's our first race. And alongside here we have number 44 so he's on the front row with the race winner there, Robert Spencer.
First game, but we still got a few to go.
Yeah, Ricky Davis did not finish in the first race, nor did Marcus Riley, so they obviously their problems.
Yeah.
The two race cooks, to be fair, Simon Rick Wood just going to be on lap.
Yeah, I think there's about 2 laps left of the first part of the first race.
Yeah.
So Rob Spencer was saying on the podium after the first race that he needs to go and lie down a bit and recuperate for this race, but he was making work pretty hard on the second part of the first race by Cam Moore. Good battle those two had, with Danny Keegan taking third place. Now Peter Davis, who's generously provided that £50 with Roger Burnham, the other put in his pocket. He's on the outside of the front row this time. He was on pole position for the first part of the first race based on qualifying time. He's back this way, going to be in the back. So no delay getting ready underway. Then Mike's on.
In 8